Breaking news just coming in. Calcutta High Court imposes 5 lakh rupees fine on petitioner Mamata Banerjee and rejects refusal plea of Mamata against Justice Chanda. However, Calcutta High Court Judge Justice Kaushik Chanda decides to recuse himself in a petition filed by West Bengal Chief Minister challenging Nandigram verdict. That's the latest coming in. High Court finding Mamata Banerjee. That's the latest coming in. If we have Prema with us, we'll take this across to Prema to get our viewers up to speed with the very latest. But Calcutta High Court imposing 5 lakh rupees fine on petitioner Mamata Banerjee, rejecting recusal plea of Mamata against Justice Chanda. However, Calcutta High Court Judge Justice Kaushik Chanda decided to recuse himself in a petition filed by the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. This was a petition that was challenging the verdict on Nandigram. We'll bring you more as far as this story is concerned. The High Court going out there to fine Mamata Banerjee. The fine is of 5 lakh rupees on none other than Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. High Court Judge Kaushik Chanda recuses himself from the Nandigram plea case that is latest coming in. High Court says that 5 lakh rupees fine on Mamata is for putting the court in bad light. They've imposed 5 lakh rupees fine, saying that she has this puts a bad light on the High Court. Prema is now joining us for the latest. Prema, firstly, this plea was challenging the verdict on Nandigram, and you had the recusal plea of Mamata Banerjee against Justice Chanda. He recused himself. However, the court has noted that this has put the court in bad light and imposed a fee of 5 lakh rupees.
Well, what Justice Chanda said is, as far as the transfer of the case is concerned, he first did mention that when it comes to the oath of secrecy, which Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has undertaken to really question the court at the time when the hearing is taking place, it puts the court in bad light because Justice Chanda mentions that why her counsel Abhishek Manu Singhvi did not mention this in the beginning of the case itself. It was only after the first hearing took place, after that is when they had applied for their petition for the transfer of the case to another court. So Justice Chanda questioned why this was not mentioned earlier, and he had also said that Abhishek Manu Singhvi had mentioned that he did not deem it fit to just mention it in court, but had wanted to put out a proper application in court. But Justice Chanda felt that these were not the appropriate grounds, and he also did mention why senior leaders had put out tweets of Justice Chanda, of pictures of him with BJP leaders, saying that it was an attempt to influence Justice Chanda's thinking or Justice Chanda's views of the case even before the hearing of the entire case was complete. So Justice Chanda, even though has imposed a fine of rupees 5 lakhs and said that this money which should be paid by the Chief Minister should go to the families of COVID affected, of the lawyers' families rather, he also has excused himself from the case and cited that the case will be transferred to another court. But clearly here various observations made in court. Back to you, Chaitri.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Prema, for bringing our viewers up.